Love Beauties and Flawless Man. I got it. We're gonna try it and rate it 1 through 10. So I came to Chili's and got the viral triple dipper. I also got a side of beans. So I ordered my food in there, but then I did a to-go order so I can do it how everybody else is doing it in the car. Y'all know I don't like to eat on camera. I probably eat on camera every other year. But these beans fire. I already tried them in the inside. They have black beans, tomatoes, celery, red onion, and jalapeno, and they are absolutely delicious. These taste like beans that I would make at home, and also these taste like beans that you would put in a chili. I rate these beans a 10 out of 10, no lie. They could have just gave me the whole pot of these to go. I should have asked her for the pot back there. Excuse me. And that's why I don't eat on camera, because I don't be like, but you know what's so crazy? I be liking to watch people eat, but then I be like, I ain't finna do that because I don't know, I just feel like it's too personal. But let's go ahead and get into the triple dipper. Let's see what we working with here. And then it's a lot. Like, how y'all be doing this? It be a lot in the car. I've seen people cook a 4-course meal in the car, and I be like, what? Baby, I can't do it. So I got some garlic parm boneless wings. With the triple dipper, you can get it how it comes, or you can also switch it up. So I switched it up and got some garlic parm boneless wings. Boneless wings. I rate these a 7.5 out of 10. I think Applebee's is better. I'm also going to try them with some ranch. Applebee's have the best boneless wings. I haven't found anybody that had boneless wings better than Applebee's. With the ranch, a 7.6 out of 10. I also got the crispy chicken crispers. I got them in Nashville hot. I'm not a Chipotle girly like that at all, actually. Let's try the crispers. I'm gonna try a full piece. When I tell you I love how much sauce they're putting on here, you know, it'd be hard to get sauce sometimes. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I got the sun right here a little bit. Let's go ahead and see. Nashville hot crispers, 10 out of 10. 10.5 out of 10. What makes the crispers so delicious like that is, first of all, they're actually Nashville hot. Whoever created that Nashville hot sauce is a legend. That Nashville hot sauce is really good on anything. And because they give you so much sauce in every bite, it's like it's almost like, you know how they'll put a syringe in meat and then they'll put the sauce in there? That's what it tastes like, because they have it drenched in so much sauce. So you get the sauce in every bite. And I love the fact that it's actually spicy. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10.5 out of 10. So let's go ahead and try it with the ranch. Chili's has some really good food. I don't think I had Chili's before. I think I may have once, but it probably been decades ago. This is really good. I love the sauce. Like, this is what we be looking for in our food, for our food to have like the sauce and seasoning on every single bite. Really good, really flavorful. And now, oh Lord, however they make this is incredible. This looks crazy. How it's just this sauce right here, like sauce everywhere. It's just filled. Let's see if we can get a cheese pull. Mmm. Mmm. My bad, doing. That's how it is. It make you want to lick your fingers. That mozzarella stick is crazy. It's just as good as the chicken crispers because the crust they have on there is immaculate. It is very thick, very drenched in sauce. When you go into that bite, you have that Nashville hot sauce all throughout that mozzarella cheese stick. Also, they are fresh. I just didn't get the pull, but that is okay. Mm. Spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. These are amazing. Wow. And I'm a spice girl, so yeah, the spice is definitely there for sure. I'm definitely there. This is amazing. I'm gonna give these mozzarella sticks 11.5 out of 10. I'm gonna try it with the mozzarella sauce, which I really don't care for mozzarella sauce, but I'm gonna see what it does. So including this was a really good meal. It was everything I was looking for as far as that Nashville hot, that spice, the freshness. It's very, very good. So I love it. It's something that I would most definitely buy again. The beans is crazy. I'll come here for a pot of beans, a whole pot, just in general. I'm gonna try, y'all know how it is when you be mixing stuff with the food, but I'm gonna try one of these boneless garlic parm wings and some of this bean juice and see if that changed them up. You can put them black beans on anything. I'm gonna tell you like that now. You put them black beans on anything, it's gonna change the game. All in all, I give Chili's customer service, the food, I give it a 10 out of 10. Everything was absolutely amazing. And I don't know when we gonna do another video like this, yo. So I hope you enjoy. This is definitely spicy. I have to clean myself up. I got the nose over here running, so that's how you know. But I love you. God bless you, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.